remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason with gunpowder treason shall ever be forgot. Happy 1